Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an MBA program character reference letter. What is an MBA program character reference letter? An MBA program character reference letter is a formal document, written by someone who knows the applicant in a professional or personal capacity, such as a supervisor, manager, professor, or mentor. The letter serves to vouch for the applicant's character, leadership potential, and professional abilities, providing insight into their suitability for an MBA program. It highlights qualities such as work ethic, integrity, resilience, teamwork, and leadership, offering specific examples of accomplishments and challenges the applicant has overcome. The goal of the letter is to endorse the applicant's candidacy and help the admissions committee evaluate the individual's potential to succeed in the program and contribute to the academic and business communities. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an MBA program character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write the sender's information. This must provide the full information of the person writing the reference letter, ensuring clarity about who is endorsing the applicant. Write your full name. Under it, write your professional title. It should be mentioned to establish credibility. And write the name of the company where you work, as it adds authority to your recommendation. Write also the company address. Provide the company's complete address for professionalism, by writing the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also write your phone number and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. It indicates when the letter was written, ensuring it's current and timely. Once you've done, you can continue to write the recipient's information. In this section, you must specify who the letter is directed to. Make sure it reaches the correct admissions committee. And you need to mention the recipient's title as well. Address it to the relevant office, such as admissions office. Besides, you need to write the program and institution name. Mention the specific program such as MBA, and the name of the school, such as Stanford Graduate School of Business. And don't forget to provide the institution address. You must write the complete mailing address of the MBA program office. After that, you can write the subject line, but it is optional. Clearly state the intent of the letter, and who it concerns. You may write, character reference letter for, followed by the applicant's full name. And you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Begin the letter with a formal and respectful greeting by writing, "Dear Admissions Committee." In the paragraph 1, this is for introduction and purpose. The first paragraph should introduce the writer, their relationship to the applicant, and the purpose of the letter. Therefore, you need to state that you are writing to recommend the applicant, and specify the MBA program they are applying to. Here is a perfect example how you write it. I am writing to provide a character reference for Sarah Johnson, who has applied to your esteemed MBA program at Stanford Graduate School of Business. And then, you can briefly mention your position, and how you know the applicant. You may be their supervisor, manager, colleague, or so on. It should be giving the reader insight into your relationship with the applicant. And here is how you write it. As her supervisor at Innovative Tech Solutions, I have had the privilege of witnessing Sarah's professional growth and personal development firsthand. Still in the same paragraph, you can then express your enthusiastic support for their application. By doing so, highlight the confidence you have in their abilities. If you have no idea, you may check this example. It is with great enthusiasm that I support her application, confident in her potential to contribute meaningfully to your MBA cohort and benefit significantly from the opportunities your program offers. In the paragraph 2, you can write about professional accomplishments and skills. Yes, this paragraph should focus on the applicant's professional achievements and key skills relevant to the MBA program. Here, you can start by introducing key qualities that make the applicant stand out, particularly in a professional or work context. For example Sarah has consistently demonstrated exceptional qualities that I believe are indicative of a successful MBA candidate. After that, mention specific skills, such as leadership, analytical abilities, or innovative thinking that the applicant possesses. You can elaborate it this way. Her analytical skills, leadership capabilities, and innovative thinking have distinguished her in a highly competitive environment. To make it perfect, you need to provide a concrete example of a successful project or achievement led by the applicant to show their practical impact. In this letter, the writer elaborates it this way. Under her leadership, our team successfully launched a product that exceeded sales expectations by 30%, showcasing her ability to drive results and inspire teamwork. In the paragraph 3, it is for personal qualities and character. You have to know that this paragraph highlights the applicant's personal traits. The goal is to make them an excellent fit for an MBA program. By doing so, you can introduce some of the applicant's key personal traits. They are like integrity, resilience, and empathy, which are valued in business leadership. This is the example how you write it. Beyond her professional accomplishments, Sarah is known for her integrity, resilience, and empathy. Not only that, but you need to also explain how the applicant handles challenges and obstacles. You should emphasize their positive attitude and willingness to learn. For example, you can write something like, she approaches challenges with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn, qualities that have enabled her to overcome obstacles and continuously evolve. And then, highlight their ability to connect with others and understand diverse perspectives. This should be showcasing them as a strong team player and leader. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. Her ability to empathize with others and understand diverse perspectives makes her a valued team member and leader. In the paragraph 4, this is where you write about applicants' motivation for pursuing an MBA. You should discuss the applicant's motivation for pursuing an MBA and how the program aligns with their goals. So, what to write? Here, you can start introducing the applicant's reason for pursuing an MBA, connecting it to their career or personal development. You may check this example. Sarah's interest in pursuing an MBA stems from her desire to further develop her business acumen and leadership skills. And you can also mention specific aspects of the MBA program, such as courses or specialties that align with their aspirations. Here is the example. She is particularly drawn to the entrepreneurship and innovation courses offered at Stanford Graduate School of Business, which align with her career aspirations and personal values. Still in the same paragraph, you need to express confidence that the MBA program will provide the ideal environment for the applicant to achieve their goals. And you may write it this way. I am confident that the collaborative and rigorous nature of your program will provide her with the ideal environment to achieve her goals. In the paragraph 5, this is for conclusion and endorsement. You need to reaffirm your strong support for the applicant and summarize as well why they would be an asset to the MBA program. Just like in this letter, summarize the applicant's strengths and state clearly that they are an ideal candidate for the MBA program. You may write it like this. In conclusion, Sarah Johnson possesses the character, intellect, and drive to excel in your MBA program and to make a positive impact in the business world. Surely, you can provide a final strong recommendation for the applicant, showing your full support. Yes, here is the example how you write it. I wholeheartedly recommend her for admission to Stanford Graduate School of Business, and believe she will be an asset to your academic community. In the paragraph 6, it is time to offer for further information. You can offer to provide additional information, or further discuss the applicant, if necessary. It is to show your willingness to support their application. By doing so, don't forget to mention your contact information, and express your willingness to provide any additional information the admissions committee might need. You may check this example. Should you require any further information, or wish to discuss Sarah's application in more detail, please do not hesitate to contact me at 415-555-0987 or john.harrison@innovativetech.com. In the paragraph 7, you can write a final thank you in closing. Conclude the letter by thanking the committee for their time and consideration. Simply, you can write something like, "Thank you for considering my recommendation," and express your positive outlook on the applicant's future success. For example is, "I look forward to seeing Sarah Johnson's continued success and contributions." And finally, you can end the letter with a formal closing like "Sincerely," or "Best regards." Add your signature, and write your full name, title, and company. So, that's how you write an MBA character reference letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.